and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Most penguins feed on krill, fish, squid and other forms of sea life which they catch with their bills and swallow it whole while swimming. A penguin has a spiny tongue and powerful jaws to grip slippery prey. They spend roughly half of their lives on land and the other half in the sea. The largest living species is the emperor penguin on average. Adults are about 1.1 meters tall and weigh 35 kilograms. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, Nubicula minor, also known as the fairy penguin, which stands around 30 to 33 cm tall and weighs 1.2–1.3 kilograms. Today, larger penguins generally inhabit colder regions, and smaller penguins inhabit regions with temperate or tropical climates. Though they are birds, penguins have flippers instead of wings. They cannot fly, and on land they waddle walking upright, though when snow conditions are right they will slide on their bellies. In the water they are expert swimmers and divers, and some species can reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. The penguin's distinctive coloring, black body with white belly, helps camouflage the bird in the water as it searches for meals of small shrimp, fish, crabs and squid. Like most seabirds, penguins tend to be long-lived. They may take 3 to 8 years to reach sexual maturity. With some of the smaller species, breeding may begin at 3 to 4 years, but most larger species are not accomplished breeders until much later. On average, breeding does not begin until the 5th year, and a few males do not breed until the 8th year. Like most seabirds, penguins tend to be long-lived. They may take 3 to 8 years to reach sexual maturity. With some of the smaller species, breeding may begin at 3 to 4 years, but most larger species are not accomplished breeders until much later. On average, breeding does not begin until the 5th year, and a few males do not breed until the 8th year. Mating activity. Breeding seasons differ from species to species. Most species have an annual breeding season, spring through summer. The king penguin has the longest breeding cycle of all the penguin species, lasting 14 to 16 months. A female king penguin may produce a chick during alternate breeding seasons. Emperor penguins breed annually during the Antarctic winter, June through August. During the emperor breeding season, air temperature may drop to -60 degrees Celsius and winds may reach speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour for most of the winter. Antarctic penguins live in an environment of darkness or half-light. Why emperors breed during the harshest season of the year is unknown, but some scientists speculate that when the chicks become independent 5 months later in January and February, the Antarctic summer environmental conditions are more favorable for the young birds. The little penguin breeds throughout the year and has the shortest breeding cycle, which lasts about 50 days. Some of the temperate penguins, like the Humboldt and the African, tend to nest throughout the year.